Jesus. And they're like, oh no, we're giving it to this guy.
Well, hello, Holudinia. Kimrahashi.
Hello.
Hello. There we go. Kimraha, Lisa.
Hamiski on Oper from
Uh-huh.
work. From work. Tired of work.
Oper. Okay. Yeah. Oh, how me do like okay. Heather. Kimraha.
Hami Minakma.
Minak Ma. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, Shinma.
Yeah. Hami Koper Anju.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Ro Cooper. I guess D. Kimrao.
Hami train.
Oh, Veluski. Oh, yeah. I guess Matthew Kimrao.
Hami ski agus blah.
Ski August Blah. Okay. Well, hi. Back in this Blah in June of I. It's a little warmer today than it has been. Yeah. Got Tim on show. Tim Kimrao.
Hami train.
Jan Dorenu. Jan Dorenu.
Had me game rugby, and I had my kilt on.
Yeah, what? Say?
Had my kilt on.
Oh,
A rugby game on Sunday.
they daily. Okay. An early act. Okay. Okay. Ashen sporsel. Oh, never. Yeah. Well, Keshtik Dunyasambi. Anybody have a Kesh question? Any questions? Any burning issues? Okay. Let me see. Catch a bell sheet. All right. All right. Okay. Well, let's turn to our lesson. Where are we? Gonna figure out how to share the screen. All right. Okay. All right. Here we go. All right. Okay. All righty. Okay. So here we go. Nishara Gaelic Vrishja, Navierlach Lishja. Okay. Better broken Gaelic than fluent English. And here's our piper of the week. Okay. Piping us into the misty mountains. Yeah. All right. Okay. And the schedule of the week. We're going to take a look at some exercises to practice the verbal noun with a pronoun and take a look at the last of the definite articles for the nominative. That is for the subjective, the root noun. Okay. But don't worry, we've got a lot more to do. Okay. And we've got Leabhar Mòr Spot. Okay. Spot's big book. And a new song, Morag, which is a fun little song. Okay. Okay. But first, a question came up in a Gaelic forum I thought I'd share with you. Somebody asked, why do we say sé dovea adruri, but sé dovea William? Why not the A before Rory, but not before William? Okay. Okay, so remember, this is the vocative. Adruri is the vocative. That is when we're talking directly to somebody. So we say a Hamish, a Vardi, a Hionach, the Janet. Okay, but we don't say a William. Okay. And the answer is Gaelic avoids the placement or articulation of vowels in different words next to each other. So we say Chuchike Aher, he helped his father. The A is missing. But, well, and we say Chuchiki Aher, she helped her father. So here we have the her, but we avoid the ahaher. We don't like that. Gaelic doesn't like that. And in the same way, we'll sometimes contract to a vowel combination. So we say kach avelu, not kacha avelu. Okay? Okay. So that's why we drop the here. That's why we drop the because Gaelic doesn't like the two vowels to be next to each other. And as I say here, it amuses me to think of the mommy vowel telling her child, I don't want you to be hanging out with those bad vowels from the other neighborhood. Okay. You know, don't be hanging out with those other vowels. Okay. More formally, this is known as ease of articulation. And it's similar to how in English we say an umbrella, not a umbrella. Okay. Okay. But anyway, but that's just a little rule or practice. I don't know if it graduates as high as a actual rule, but it is a very common feature. All right. Okay. Anyway, just a little something. Okay. Shanachana shechana. Okay. So go ahead and say this after me. Chanyotul. Chanyotul.
On your two.
Amitul.
Ernach chig trug.
Not say
and
true.
Trug. There isn't a
Trug.
flood that will not subside. Okay. Truig is also used for the word ebb, as in a tide ebbs, it goes out. Okay. So, and a little note here, okay, about comes out of well, you know, like many people, very, you know, there's times of trouble in Gaelic and Scottish history, and it just reminds us that however bad things get, you know, the flood will subside, the flood will ebb away. So, yeah, so just hold on, it'll get better. Okay. Or at least not as wet. Okay. Anyway, so here we have a fellow on top of his roof waiting for the flood to subside. Tulle. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So we want to go back to the augmented preposition. So if you remember, we had a lesson on it last week. Okay. And we will work on exercises to help us learn this important feature. Okay. So let's see. So, okay. So, okay. Yeah. So right here, I was looking for this actually. We don't say something like Hami afechen it. I see them. We don't use the pronoun after the verbal noun. We use what's known as the augmented preposition. And actually, it translates most literally to it's the augmented preposition using the possessive pronoun. So, hami ha'it gump echen, okay? They're seeing me, or they're at my seeing. And I have some examples here. Hae gum vulu, he is hitting me. Literally, he is at my hitting. Be gum gat echen, he will see you. Literally, he will at your seeing. He will be at your seeing. At your seeing. Okay? Vami gayenef, I was doing it. I was at its doing. See, because the ga translates as at yours or at his. Ambiu gayevik, Will you read it? Masculine. Okay. 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 Oh, let's put feminine. Okay. Feminine. It works just the same. Let's see. I'm BU. I'll show you something that can be united. I'm BU Gajianov. Will you read it? Will you do it?
Make it.
Okay. Will you, let's say, make it? Okay. I'm BU Gajianov. Will you make it? Feminine. Okay. Because the feminine does not lanite. The masculine lanites, but the feminine doesn't. Okay. But masculine. Okay. I eat gaia. They're eating it. Feminine. So here we see the usage with the vowel, the verbal noun that begins with the vowel. Be it garfechen. They will see us. Gar would be at our. Okay, ek our. Okay. Vashin gerklunchen. We were hearing you. Okay. Ur. Okay. Va iet ganskruivik. They were writing them and come back here. Va iet gambulu. Okay. They were hitting them. Okay, or let's see. He was hitting them. He was hitting them. Okay, gambulu. So note here, gum lanites, and gum here doesn't. And here, note that we can sometimes use, as I say in this list here, gan or gum. And the difference between them is the gan gum, that's the BFMP verbal nouns. Okay. Okay. The bowl of fluffy mashed potatoes. Okay, so the choice between gan and gum determined by BFMB verbal nouns, the bowl of fluffy mashed potatoes. So here we have a B, and so we use gum. Okay. All right. Okay. And so this week we're going to concentrate on exercises that'll help us learn this feature. Okay. And in a few minutes, we'll go to the definite article, the last of the definite articles. Okay. At least for the nominative. Right. Any questions so far? Now, that's just a reminder of the lesson from last week. Okay, so now let me go to, see, I have to unshare, have to go to the, separate chapters. Let me see. All right. I have to go back to the Zoom. Okay, all right. Okay, so you should be able to see my screen now, right? Okay, so augmented prepositions with the verbal nouns. And as I explained, these will help you practice. Okay. All right. And another reminder, me, gum, at my, lanites, got, lanites, ga, his lanites, but ga at her doesn't lanite. Sheen, gar, at our, does not lanite. Sheev, gur, at your, does not lanite, and gan or gum at their does not lanite. Okay, so, all right. And so we want to fill in the blank with the correct form. And here's an example. Okay. Ha a gin of cake. He is making a cake, feminine. And so what we'll have is we'll have this part, ha a, and then we want to say is making it would be gajinov. Okay? Because cake is feminine. All right? All right. Okay. Now the rest of these are not going to have answers.
Why?
Why? Yeah. Makes it so much easier. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So, ha'i a fechin bata. She is seeing a boat. Ha'i
Ga.
ga vata. I'm sorry. Gaechen. Now, ha'i gaechen. Okay. Okay. Lenites. Ha'i gaechen. All right. Hami ayevik lor. I'm reading a book. Hami
Gum.
ga yevik. I'm reading it. Okay. I'm reading it. Okay.
Oh.
Ha'it a klunshin. They are listening or they are hearing you. Va'it
Oh. God.
gat klunshin. Yeah, very good. Va'it gat klunshin. Okay. It just occurred to me. I have this in Word. I'm gonna bring up the Word document so I can write some of these answers down. It might be helpful to you. So let me figure out how to get out of here.
So you base it on the object that you're calling it, and it.
Yeah.
You're not basing it on the person doing the action.
No.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you're doing it on the
Think about the thing that's turning into the it.
yeah, the thing
Okay.
that's turning into the it. Okay. But let me go back to
And it's the masculine objects that Lenite in
yeah,
this case.
yeah, for his. Yeah, for his.
Okay.
Okay. And let's see, verbal noun, object, exercise. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. All right. All right. Yeah. So we'll go here. Then I can write some of these down for you too. Okay. 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 So we'll go by it. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Now I have to remember to share the screen. Okay. All right. Okay. So Hashin Akuchukuk, her. Oh, would this be?
Ga.
Ga.
Ga, yeah. Ga Kuchukuk.
Kuchukuk.
Ga Kuchukuk, not lenited. It's at her helping. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Bu skrivik leacher, you will be writing a letter. Feminine, leacher is feminine. Becomes it, you will be writing it.
Ga.
Ga eskrivig.
Ga skrivik, yeah.
Ga skrivig. Oh, so you take off the skrivig.
Yeah. You see, because the
Is
well,
AG, so yeah.
yeah, is the AG. So ek becomes ga. You see, so the ga, it takes the place of the well,
Oh.
well, in this case, the equals ek.
Okay. Now it's
a
clicking.
contraction. It's a contraction for
So it's there. We don't see it. It's
right.
there.
Yeah. Well, it's a contraction. It's it's contracted.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. So in some cases, in some verbal nouns, you will have let's see, agra, saying. Okay. So in some verbal nouns, you will have the ek. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But and especially against listening. Okay. And especially with verbal nouns that begin with a vowel, you'll have the ek. But verbal nouns that begin with a consonant, a koshik,
Mm-hmm.
a koshik, we even let's see, what other a bulu. A lot of hitting tonight. Hitting. Okay. Koshik, walking,
I
at
see.
walking, at hitting, something nice. Suppose, uh, uh, no, that's mirroring. Okay. I was thinking of a
Pogue.
poguk. A poguk would be, kissing.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. So, but with the consonants, you just use the abbreviated form or the contracted form. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So, Bishiv Atukshin. You will understand me.
Gum.
Be sheep gum
Gum.
tuction.
Fiction.
Yeah. Gum Hookshin. Yeah. Very good.
Oh,
Gum.
okay. I forgot to Lanite.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Have to.
Oh, this is complicated.
Yeah, yeah. And now how do you say you will understand them? Gun
Gun tuction.
Fiction.
Gun Tukshin. Yeah, yeah, yeah. For a moment there I thought I'd be able to use Gam again. Okay.
A fake out. Nope.
Yeah, yeah. But okay. Well, back to Bulug. So remember Gam Vulug hitting me, or
Mhm.
Gambulug
Gumbula hitting them.
hitting them. Okay, yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Hi, Amola Kara. She is praising a friend. Masculine. Masculine.
Haiga. Volap.
Yeah.
Volig.
Gavolo.
Yeah.
Yeah. A masculine.
Gavolig.
Okay.
Hey,
Gavolo.
Gavolig.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Be a cat film. She will be watching a film. You'll be watching it.
Vaiga. Homer.
Yeah, cat. Uh-huh.
Hey.
Yeah.
H.
Gehead. It'll nice. Okay, Leabhar. Okay. Be me a tokotai. I was building a house. Vami a tokotai. Yeah, yeah. I was Vami
Gum. Pogo.
ga
Ga for the
Ho-
house.
yeah, yeah.
Hokal.
Gahokal. Yeah, it. The house would become it. Okay. All right. So he will be paying a bill. Be a pay bila. So right here, bill is feminine, so he'll be paying it.
Hagig.
Uh-huh.
Gapagig.
Gapayeg. Yeah.
Hag.
Yeah. Gapayeg. Paying it. At its paying. All right. Okay. All right. Vayakosk etiquette. She was spending money. Vai.
Ga. Hosk.
Gahosk.
Gahosk. Gahost. At its spending. Okay. Bishinagal B. We'll be taking food, or actually getting food or something like that. Okay. Okay. Anyway, but food is masculine, so that would be
Ga.
gal.
Avo.
Gal. Okay.
Gagal.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Bishiv a Czechish. You will be teaching us.
Gar.
Very good. Gar Czechish.
Check.
Or Czechish. Okay. And gar comes from ek hour. So our equals hour. It's a possessive pronoun for hour. Okay. Hayit Kyo. They're playing music. Hayit
Ga.
Ga
Kluch.
Hui.
Hui.
Hui. Hui.
Please.
Yeah. Lenited. Okay. Let me a GNF B.
Gayenov.
Gayenov. Very good. Gayenov. Okay.
Imi Gayenov.
Bimi Gayenov. Okay. Ha'u aloric him. And so this is finding, searching for him.
Galorig.
Uh-huh.
York.
Galoric. Uh-huh. Galoric. Uh-huh. Remember, L is one of the
You can't lenite L.
can't lenite it. Yeah, yeah. Well, you do in a way, but we'll get to that later. It comes out in pronunciation. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Hayatorsh Chialak is giving a present.
A horse.
Gahorst.
Gehorscht. Very good. Gehorscht. Uh-huh. Okay. Bishin a Christian you plural.
Gur.
Gur
Hestin.
Christian.
No, you don't lenite it. Sorry.
Right, yeah. You plural does not lenite. Ur do.
We were on a roll. We were leniting everything.
Yeah. You do. You what singular familiar lenites.
Mm-hmm. That would be
It's not.
God.
Uh-huh. Yeah, okay. Hashina Kimmel Akumul Ku. You're keeping a dog.
Gahumel.
Humo.
Huh? Gahumel.
Mhm.
Uh-huh.
Gahumel.
Gahumel. Be it a message oper. They will be evaluating work.
Ga.
Messick.
Gamesic.
Beid. Gamesic.
Gamesic. Evaluating it. Okay. Vami Ashirich Frekersht. I was seeking an answer.
Bami.
Vamiga Sirik.
Gasirig.
Yeah, Kashirik. Okay, I was seeking.
Shearing. Okay.
Shirik.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, okay. Leva.
Sorry.
Oh, Launik Shomer. You were cleaning a room. Masculine.
Hauga.
Lanib.
Glanik.
Glaunik. Glaunik.
Oh, okay.
Glaunik.
Glaunik. Yeah, yeah. The lenited G is kind of an open-throated G. Glaunik. Glaunik. I mean, it doesn't really sound. It just comes from the throat. Glaunik. Okay. Bleva. Okay. All right. All right. All right. So we'll try one more. One more. Get the idea. Be a Kaunic car, masculine. Be a
Got Hinnick.
Kaunic.
Onik.
Kaunic. Yeah. Lenited. Okay. Bleva. Bleva. And then there's a lot more for you to do. Keep you out of trouble for the coming week. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's go. I'm going to stop the share for just a moment. Go back to the lesson. Okay. And I'm going to upload all these exercises so you can have fun with them during the week. Okay. So the definite article the. Okay. With a nominative, and the nominative is the root form of the verb. Remember, that's the form before anything happens to it, or it's the subject of the verb. It's the subject of the sentence. And this is for both feminine and masculine singular nouns. Okay, so now in the nominative case, I've left the easiest one for the last. Okay. Let's see. Okay. The both feminine and masculine nouns take an un with the definite art as the definite article. All right. All right. So unskaten. So go ahead and say that. Unskaten.
We can't see the board.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Well, I'm glad somebody said something. No telling how long I would have gone on. Okay. All right. There we go. All right. Okay. All right. So right here, you see this now?
Yeah.
Okay. Unskaten.
Unskaten.
The herring. Unsmollider.
Unsmothered.
The firefighter. Literally, the one who smothers, the person, the smotherer, who smothers the fire. Okay. Unspoot.
Unspoot.
The spout. On stock,
On stock.
the trunk as of a tree, the tree trunk, okay. On skripuk,
Stripper.
the note, okay, it's so you see the relationship to skriva, to write, and the ek is very often a diminutive. Okay, so it's the little, so it's like the little letter or something like that, a note, okay? On smickich,
On smickage.
the chin. On spog,
On Spog.
On spoke.
paw or claw, okay? On stay,
On Stay.
that's the basis for something, like the foundation or okay? Okay. And and the reason for this simplification, why, unlike the other S words, these don't take a T, for instance, is they'd be almost impossible to say. I mean, so it's interesting that open with the discussion of the phonetics, what's difficult to say. And here we get to another ease of articulation. And here, I guess, maybe impossibility of articulation, because I'll put the little asterisk there, does not occur. Okay. You could not really say on Tucat, you can't say it. Or on Topog, on Spog, you can't say it. Okay. So your key here is you can't really say it. Okay. And anyway, my note here, Gaelic doesn't give us very many breaks. Somebody complained just a few minutes ago, it's so hard. Well, it is, but here's one place where Gaelic gives us a break. Okay. All right. So I guess they say be thankful, be grateful for small mercies. Okay. All right. Anyway, but remember with these, and I don't have a mnemonic device. I'll see if I can come up with one, but it's the can't say it group. Okay, so but these un serves as the definite article, as the the. Okay, all right. So now let me go to the okay, so I have to get out of this. Let's see, I have to stop the share, go back to the share. Yeah. And this one is titled, when you go back to practice, this one is titled the SB, SM, SP, SG words. Okay, so as you've done before, simply supply the correct form of the definite article for the nouns. Okay, all right, so let's try it. All right, so Scatten, what would be the herring?
On Scottish.
On Scatten. What would be control?
On Smock.
On schmuck. Okay, would be the struggle.
On
On
sparring.
sparring.
Barn, yeah, okay, yeah. You don't even have to think about this. I mean, just as soon as I flip the page, simply say on, and then the noun. Okay, all right. So steward,
On Stew.
on stewer. Okay,
Stew-
stewer,
A steward.
stewer. Yeah, bring the bring your
Noun?
lips back at the end. Stewer.
Yeah.
Stewer. Okay. You have a little I sound at the end. Okay. All right. Sco.
On skull.
On Skull.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Scowl.
On Skull.
Scowl. Okay. Smoor.
On smooth.
On Smear.
Smoor. Yeah. Spoonug.
On Spoon.
On spoonug. Yeah. Stuck.
On
Scout.
Stuck.
Stuck. Score.
On score.
On Score.
Score. Yeah. Smooch.
On smooth.
On Smooch.
Smooch. Space.
On
on
space.
Space. Scornin.
On Scorn.
Scorning.
Scornin. Okay. Smoladir.
On
On
small.
Smolader.
Smoladir. Okay. On
On spoke.
On Spoke.
spoke. Yeah. I said it. Okay. Store.
On store.
On Store.
Store. Splash.
On
On
splash.
Splash.
Splash. Skiing.
On skiing.
On skiing.
Skiing. Yeah. Smaulog.
On small.
The extinguishing of a fire. So we have a smaladir, the fireman, the firefighter, right? And a smaulog would be extinguishing a fire, or smothering a fire. Okay. Okay. And derived from the practice of smothering a candle. Okay, so that's the evolution of the usage of this word. Okay, that's what you do to a candle. You smother the candle. You know, I mean, like you, in the old days, you know, they'd pinch the end of a candle, or they have a candle snuffer. You know, a little cap that goes over the top of the candle. Okay, streak.
On streak.
On
Streak.
Uh-huh. Spores.
On
On
spores.
spores.
Spores. Schmackekuk.
On smackhook.
Makacook.
Act of controlling or disciplining. Okay. Scowl.
On skull.
On scowl. Okay. Spunug.
On stool.
Unug.
Spunug. Okay.
Ooh.
Skurug.
On
Skura.
Smolug.
On small.
On smolug. Okay. Spoosh.
On
On
spoosh.
Spoosh. Scorsa.
On
On
scorsa.
scorsa.
So it's stova.
On stova.
Stova. Smowley.
On small.
Very good, very good. All right, okay. So you get the idea, and there's so you can come back to this and practice this. Okay, and the idea of coming back and practicing is so it's second nature. Okay, because maybe learning anything, and certainly learning a skill and certainly learning a language is very often a matter of repetition. So so you want to make it automatic. So even if you conceptually get the idea, it's important to ingrain it. In a sense, ingrain it into your muscle memory. Okay, all right, Leabhar. Okay. Any questions so far? Okay. All right, so what do we have next? Okay, so we have those. Sgeulachd na Seachdaine. Okay, all right, so I've got something for us. Sgeulachd na Seachdaine. Oops. Okay. So let me go to the share. All right. Okay. All right. So what we have here is Leabhar Mòr Spot.
Or
More spot.
Or Spot.
Spot's big book.
Yeah, Spot's big book. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm gonna make this a little bigger. Okay. So have to scroll through the page. Now, there's a lot of words in here, and this is a picture book that you can use to embed words. Okay, so here we have up here. Okay, I wonder, yeah, right here,
J.
Gelin J. Okay, a butterfly. Okay, literally something like the electricity of the day. Or the lightning of the day, Gelin J. Okay, all right. And here we have a Eon.
In bird.
The bird. Okay, okay. Right here, a gake.
Branch.
A branch. Or a dulich.
Leaf.
Leaf.
A leaf. Okay, and the whole thing here would be a
Grove, a tree.
grove, a tree. Yeah. Now let me ask you, can you see when I make a little square around something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That one made a big square, but yeah,
Huh?
it made a big square this time.
Yeah,
It's
right.
there.
Yeah, good. Okay, yeah, okay. So I just do that to help, because this book, because the words kind of jump around. Okay, so good. Okay, so here we have fensa.
Fence.
Okay, that's a hard one to remember. Okay. Crave.
Crave.
A
Bone.
Bone, crave. And remember the CN is pronounced like a CR. Okay. Okay. And we have a bún cruv. Bún cruv, a tree trunk.
Oh,
Remember up here we have a cruv,
big one. Yeah.
a tree, and a bún cruv. And literally this is something like the trunk of a tree. Okay, that's in the genitive. We haven't gotten to the genitive yet, but here we have a crow,
A nut.
a nut, and then again we have a CN, which is pronounced like a CR. Oh, and a press,
A bush.
bush, yeah, very good, and a fiorak,
A squirrel.
squirrel, yeah, fiorak. Okay,
So what's cupboard? I thought press was cupboard.
what's that?
The word for cupboard, I thought that was press. Am I wrong?
Duolingo uses that as a
Yeah.
couple too.
No,
I
I'm
don't know why, but they do. That's where they put Ian all the time.
What?
Ian lives in the cupboard.
Oh, press. Oh, yeah. Right. Yes. Both. No, you're right.
Because Duolingo likes that.
Oh, so
Yeah.
so that also means cupboard or bush.
Both.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What do you
Tricky.
call that? That's what is that? A homonym? A word that sounds the same but means different
And spelled the same.
and spelled the same too. Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh,
Yeah.
So you just
Okay.
have to know the context.
Yeah. Yeah.
okay.
Right. Yeah. I have to. Yeah. Where's where's my cup? Ounce of fresh.
In the bush?
In the bush? What's it doing in the bush? I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Anyway. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Thank you for clarifying.
Okay. No, that's good. That's good. I'm glad you asked. Okay. So, Gianin.
Cheelin.
Okay. A flower. And there's other words for flower too. One being fleur.
That's what Duolingo uses.
Like
Yeah,
Flutikin.
Flurican. That would be the
Flowers.
flowers. Yeah. And Gianin is actually flowers. That's the plural as well. Gianin.
Okay.
Fior.
Your
Fior. Grass.
grass.
Grass. Bochick.
Bullchick. Worm.
Worm. Yeah. Okay. Gleba. Okay. All right. So.
Oh, he's having stuff in the refrigerator. Shame on him.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So right here we have a make it a little bit bigger. All right. Rohader,
Roherde.
Refrigerator.
the refrigerator. Yeah. Magnet.
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 Yeah. Magnet.
Magnet.
Shuka.
Shuka.
Chuka. Juice.
Okay. And Sue orange.
Sue orange.
Orange juice.
Orange juice. Okay. Oh yeah. So shuka would be a like a pitcher.
Uh-huh.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. That's a shuka. And here we have a shuka banya,
Shuka banya.
Milk pitcher.
a milk pitcher. And over here we have a bola,
Bowl.
Bola.
okay,
Mugga.
and a muka,
Muka.
okay.
A mug.
And this is at the division of the page, and that's
But it's honey.
honey, yeah. Or a fork,
It's like a can.
Forka. Yeah.
a
Fork.
or
A skiing.
skiing.
Knife.
Knife. Okay. And even before you knew Gaelic, you knew another skiing word, which was be what?
Ski and do.
Skiing do. Yeah, the black knife. Yeah. And it's and not because it was the color black, but because it was hidden.
In your sock.
Yeah. Okay. Trencher.
Trencher. Plate.
Yeah, that's a plate. Okay. Pochte.
Pochte.
Teapot.
Teapot, though often not spelled that way. Okay, spelled more like let me see if I can.
Taya.
Yeah,
Some of it is TE. Duolingo has a TE.
T
Yeah.
with a
TI.
yeah. TI
Yeah. There's a
with
couple,
an accent.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see. Can I do this now? Yeah.
We'll let you
Okay.
change it.
Okay. Yeah, T or Tea. Okay, so one of the two.
Yeah.
You know, more
Okay.
often spelled that way, but anyway. All right. Right here,
Unyek.
Unyek,
Window.
window. Okay, referring to the you know, the glass part of the window. Okay, Sgeulachd,
Gaelic.
Skillet.
Sgeulachd. A skillet. Yeah. Let's see. So I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Okay, I want to pan over. Okay. Sgeulachd.
Sgeulachd.
Short.
Sieve.
Sieve. Aachen.
Aachen.
Aachen. Okay. What
Like
that
a
mean?
A pan.
Yeah, I guess a pan. A pan. Okay. Uyen.
Uyen.
Okay.
Eggs.
Uyen. Eggs. Okay. Wavsuk doer.
They're expensive now.
Yeah, expensive nowadays. Doer. Expensive. Okay. Skiing Òran.
Ski and a bread knife.
Red knife.
Bread knife. And Òran being the genitive, you know,
Òran.
of Òran. And here we have the Òran, the bread. Eam,
Butter.
butter. Or a capera,
Sandwich. Kipper.
sandwich, capera. Okay. Mustard.
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 And changed.
Yeah. Or kasha.
Cheese. Casa. Cheese.
Cheese. Yeah. Okay. All right. So we want to go back over here. So now we have a little writing here. And it says Matanva Spot.
Good morning, Spot.
Good morning, Spot. Sally a Jennifer Caperen.
Someone's making
Sally
sandwiches?
Yeah,
Caperen.
Sally's making sandwiches.
Oh, okay.
I guess Sam a Yavik paper.
I
And
guess
Sam is reading the
Ayavik
paper.
A paper.
paper.
Yeah, the paper. See, it's on paper. Okay, on paper. Okay, all right. Okay. Gavi Spot Gran Lebanya.
Gavi
Spot,
Spot
Gran
Gran Labanya.
Spot
Grabs the cereal and with milk.
with milk. Gran obviously related to grain. And refers to a dry cereal. Okay. I guess te is toast gubrak.
I guess
I guess
Tay
Tay is
is
toast.
toast.
for
Brackish.
Yeah,
And
toast.
tea and toast for breakfast.
Yeah. And I guess joch orange.
Okay, joke orange.
Joch orange. Orange drink. A drink of orange or Sue orange. Okay, Gleva. All right. Oh, down here we have some more. Okay.
Coffee. Oh boy.
Okay. Well, here we have toast
Toast. Toast.
and a toastar.
Toaster.
Ball.
Toaster.
Spawn,
Spoon.
spoon, coffee,
Coffee.
kura,
Kura. Kettle.
yeah, kettle, okay, and a stove.
Stove.
Stove, yeah, okay.
We had that other one ready.
Yeah, we got those. Okay. Oh, what's this? Okay. Yeah, these are all over the place. Kuvrik borscht.
Kubrick burst.
Borscht.
A table covering like a tablecloth.
Yeah, tablecloth. Yeah, Kuvrik
Cover it.
borscht. Borscht being
Board.
genitive, the genitive for board. A table would be board, B-O-R-D. Borscht would be the genitive. As I said, we haven't gotten into that yet, to what the possessive would be, or the modifier would be, but just something for us to look forward to, anxiously look forward to. Okay, all right. And when we get to learn that, all right, okay, all right. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so let's go over. Where are we? Okay. So up here we have a shimmeler,
Chimney.
a chimney, or a mulach.
Mulak roof.
A roof, and mulach is a variable word. It can mean a lot of different things, okay? And it can mean a roof or it can mean a ceiling, and it can mean a number of other things that have
Top.
to do with, yeah, things that are on the top, okay? Okay. Oh, here we have fensa again, or founsa, fianza.
Fianza fences.
Lorry,
Lorry or truck.
yeah, lorry in British English, okay? Uh, tie,
Tie house.
the house, or Finnegan.
Finnegan, is it hills? I don't know what that is.
Rose?
No, what the field?
Oh, okay. I never had that one before.
Finnegan, or Cruven,
Cruven. Trees.
the plural of trees, or a gay,
Gay goose.
a goose, or a curric,
Kurik sheep.
sheep, yeah, plural sheep. Okay, plural sheep. Kura would be singular, curric would be plural, okay? Okay. Or a kolech guya.
Wren rooster, or it's the
Yes, yes, a wind rooster.
but
What
it's
do we
really
call
it.
that in English? Is that what's a weather vane, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Gaelic is so much more expressive.
Makes sense, but
Yeah, it's a wind rooster, a kuli guya. All right, okay. Or a chulia,
wheel.
a wheel, a luch,
Luke, a mouse.
mouse, fior,
Pure grass, but looks like more like hay.
yeah, like hay, yeah. Kind of interchangeable and I guess remember that hay
And
is,
it's dried, so
yeah, is a kind of grass. So okay, anyway, so here we have a sow,
sow, barn,
a barn, yeah, like
stable. Yeah.
Mòr Spot, the university. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Crua ek,
Cruet, horseshoe,
crua, the horseshoe, okay. Or an ech,
and the horse.
and
Horse.
the horse, yeah. And the ech would be again, the genitive of,
Mhm.
of horse, okay. Stopple,
Stopple, stable,
stable, yeah. So here we have a sow, the barn, and a stopple, the stable, which since I'm a city boy, I have to think twice about which is which and what the difference is. I'm not quite sure, but anyway, all right. So kerk,
kit, chicken,
or a tractor,
tractor,
a kolyak,
koyak, the rooster,
a rooster, yeah, a cat,
cat,
a mook,
Pig.
mook, pig,
pig, or a chronic.
chronic, milk can,
Yeah, well, like
some kind of canister,
container. Yeah.
Okay.
Chronic. Okay. Edible, right here,
arable tail,
a tail. Or right here we have a trailer,
trailer,
or a bow,
bow cow,
a cow, or a cumin.
Pail.
bucket,
Yeah, like a bucket. Very, well, probably more often called a bucket. Okay. Or laher,
Laher.
hooves,
hooves, yeah. Okay. Say, feist.
fish. Is that a rope?
Yeah, well, rope would be rope.
Rope, but
This is like a tether.
oh, okay.
Yeah. Or bakken.
Bucket means steak,
Yeah,
a
steak.
pole,
Oh yeah. It refers to the function of buck, a buck, to stop. Okay, so it's like a holding stake. Okay. Irk,
egg,
horns. Okay. Where are we? Bada,
butter, Wheelbarrow, Bara.
Yeah, a barrel, wheelbarrow. Okay. A tunic,
Duck.
Our little duck.
a duck, Eishenen,
Eating and chicks, little chicks.
chicks, yeah, little chicks. Loskin,
Those skin is frog.
a frog. Okay. Loan,
Balloon is like a pond.
yeah, a pond. Uh-huh. It's very often called an armor. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's see. Right here. A spot, a kuchikuk aher.
A spot of kuchiket.
Aher. Okay.
Spot is helping his dad.
Uh-huh.
His father.
Yeah, his father. Yeah. Hanek Eli August Christian.
Hanek Eli August Christian.
Christian. Eli and Christian came. Hanek. Simple past tense. We haven't gotten to the simple tenses yet. Okay. I guess it's in a clique.
August is in a kluk.
Leshavara.
Lesavara.
Okay.
And they were playing with a wheelbarrow.
Uh-huh, with the wheelbarrow. A
Mm.
spot. I guess
A spot. August come ahead.
a kate,
Hela.
a kayla. Okay. Okay. Spot agasavo a kate. Okay. So here's spot. So they are seen together. Okay. We see them together. Okay. We see Spot and the bow, the cow. Okay. All right. Okay. Leabhar. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So next week we'll continue with the continuing
Oh,
adventure.
he goes to school.
Yeah, next week we'll go to school. Okay. And so we'll continue with the continuing adventures of Spot. Okay. Spot's lore more. Duly. Okay. All right. Okay. Any questions? Okay, so next week we'll continue with Spot, learn some more words, and this is a great way to learn words too. I'm going to go back over this lesson. Okay, so let me. Okay, yes. Okay, let me save. All right. All right. All right. So let's go to a song. All right, and we got a fun little song. Okay. All right, so the song for this week is Shimorak. Shimorak. It is Morag. And here we have a formulation that we haven't learned yet. Okay, it'll come. It's using what's called the assertive verb. It's another way to say is. And Shimorak. And it is Morag, or in this case, it was Morag. Okay. So say after me, Shimorak.
It's not, you don't have it up.
Oh, okay. So sorry.
Shimorak.
Yeah, I'm so glad people let me. Okay.
Heather's, all the rest of them are muted.
Yeah, okay. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right. Okay. So Shimorak.
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 Huh? Shimorak Arenavanish.
Shimorak
Morak
Arenavanis.
Arenavanik.
Yeah, Shimorak Arenavanish. It was Morag who had the wedding, or who did the wedding, who made the wedding. Okay, not really who had. Okay, bad translation. Who made the wedding, gave the wedding. Okay, Arenavanish. Okay, Morak Shimorak.
Morak Shimorak.
Arenavanish animal.
Arenavanis animal.
Animal. Okay, animal is a great word, means famous.
Mhm.
Who made the famous wedding, who had the famous wedding. Vaidu an Ari.
Bandu Andari.
Sorry, on Uri.
Uri.
Okay. Black-haired last year on Uri. Last year on Uri. Vaidu. And remember in Gaelic, when we refer to a person as a color, we're referring to their hair color. She's black-haired last year. Okay. I guess how you do Ambliana.
August Abliana.
Ambliana. Okay. And she's black-haired this year. Okay. Very, very good. Vaidu Ahulala.
Seba Udula Hulala.
Okay. She was or she has been black-haired ever since, or every day, a hula la, every day, okay. Hunik me, hunik
Hulik Nisa
riav e,
Rivi.
okay, that I ever saw her. Hunik, saw, Misha, I, riav, ever, e, I saw her, okay. And this is a common feature in Gaelic. Sometimes, I might have mentioned this before, sometimes we push the second pronoun further down the sentence. So you could say, Hunik Misha e Riev, but very often that doesn't sound right to the Gaelic ear. Okay. And pushing it further down the sentence emphasizes that this is the object of the verb rather than confusing it with the subject. Okay, Hunik Misha Rievi. All right. I'll put a little. Does not occur. Okay. Doesn't often occur. Okay. Fair antai ik ben antai. Fair antai.
Anti anti.
Okay.
Vafarentai ekbenentai.
Um, literally, the man of the house was at the wife of the house, or right here translated as danced with the wife, danced with the old-fashioned good wife. Okay, old-fashioned word for the hostess, the lady of the house. Is an Sgeulachd ek an chervent.
Sucking and Sherigan.
And the skivvy with the servant. A skivvy would be a stable hand. Okay, I'll just put stable hand, make that stable hand. Okay, with the servant. Okay, that would be the house servant. Okay. Van Burchel Echevanerich.
America Elavandrik.
Echevanerich. Okay, the cowherd danced with the milkmaid. Burchel. Okay, the cowherd. The very often a young man, or the man that herded the cows, and the Vanarik, the milkmaid, the woman who milked the cows, is Mohener Ech Mohenever.
Say Mohenet Mohenet.
Mohenever. And my grandfather at my grandmother. Okay. So here they're ellipsing dancing. Okay. But this implies, they were dancing together. Okay. Or this Mohener Ech Mohenever. Or maybe it's saying something more like Mohener Ech Mohenever. Mohenever had the henner. Okay. They belong to each other. Okay. In terms of dancing. Okay. Vashonich is feel ech.
Passionisch
It's real.
Okay. Shonich had a fiddle, or here translated as played the fiddle. Runich is peep ek.
When is peep.
Okay. And this would be echa, the possessive echa. Okay. It just kind of shortened for the song ech. Morn on dos is feiten ech.
When dos is ficken.
Okay. Morag played the chanter, sometimes shortened to more. Okay. Is Heinig iet Anrila.
Is Heinik it on
Okay. And they would all sing the reel. They all sang the reel. Better rather than Heinig. Hein iet Anrila. And they all sang the reel. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's the song. So kind of a nonsense little song, or a fun little song. Okay. Anyway, so I thought we'd try this. Okay. After all the sad songs that we've had. Okay. All right. So hold on a second. Let me make sure I've got the complete share on. Share sound. I'll do Morag. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay.
Morag. This is a lively tune. It's a song about a boisterous wedding at which a lady called Morag was the lucky bride. Several women are named in the song, but no men are. This is a popular type of Gaelic song called Portabale, meaning a tune by the mouth or from the mouth, or mouth music. This type of song is often light-hearted, occasionally bawdy in nature, and always the hit of any ceilidh or wedding. Hope you like learning Morag. And remember, Gaelic at the top, English at the bottom. Enjoy.
Morag, 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 Görain vanish, Morag, Morag, Görain vanish, Anam. Morag, 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 Görain vanish, Morag, Morag, Görain vanish, Anam. Vaiduve nu ariag sahiduve blian, Vaiduve hullela kunik misher yauvi. Vaiduve nu ariag sahiduve blian, Vaiduve hullela kunik misher yauvi. Morag, 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 Görain vanish, Morag, Morag, Görain vanish, Anam. Morag, 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 Görain vanish, Morag, Morag, Görain vanish, Anam. Man bochelig baneris makeneger mokyanamor. Man feren dag benetas and skalager and jarvan. Man bochelig baneris makeneger mokyanamor. Morag, 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 Görain vanish, Morag, Morag, Görain vanish, Anam. Morag, 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 Görain vanish, Morag, Morag, Görain vanish, Anam. Morag, reine vanish. Morag, reine vanish. Anamor, Morag, Morag, reine vanish. Morag, reine vanish. Anamor, Morag, Morag, reine vanish. Morag, reine vanish. Anamor.
Okay, there we go. All right, Shimorak. All right, so sing that to yourself all this week. Okay, Shimorak, 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 the Rainavanish animal. Okay, and made the famous wedding. Had the famous wedding. All right. Okay. All right. Any questions? Any points of interest? Okay, so we went over a bunch of different things. Next week we'll come back to on Leabhar Mòr Spot. Okay, the big book of Spot. Take a look at some more items, refresh your vocabulary. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, that's about it for tonight. Okay. A lot of material. But we finished a little bit early. Okay. All right. So, all right. Well, Tapaleva Hula Dunya.
Cheery.
Happily.
Aikava.
Or
Aikava.